Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Lyssa, and today we are going to be making a spicy, I guess, Szechuan beef. So for this recipe, you will need some like beef stir fry, stripped beef, whatever. I got this for $3. Garlic, green onion, red bell pepper, and white onion. Optional, I'm gonna add some broccoli to mine. You don't have to. Cornstarch, minced garlic. You don't have to put this, but if you want it spicy, chili garlic sauce. Oyster sauce. Hoisin sauce. And you can get all of these at like the international section of your grocery store. Soy sauce. Whatever oil you like to cook with, and then I'm gonna just add some of these dry peppers because I like to. All right, let's move on to the next step. For the first step, I'm gonna go ahead and marinate my beef, and I have about a pound of beef here. You can just use however much beef for your family that you need and double the recipe or whatever. So I'm gonna just add like a tablespoon of garlic. It might be more. Whatever, you can put as much garlic as you want. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoning salt. You don't have to. The soy sauce probably will be enough. And then I'm gonna do a tablespoon of cornstarch. And then I'm gonna just put about 2 tablespoons worth of soy sauce. I think there's like 2 tablespoons worth. And a half a cup of water. So mix that up. And this is just a real simple little marinade. I'm gonna set this aside while we get to the next step. Real quick, I just wanted to show y'all, I just cut up my broccoli, and I don't have a steamer, so what I do to steam my broccoli is just put a little bit of water in my skillet, like halfway up to the broccoli, and I cook it for about 2 minutes, and then it'll be nice firm broccoli. But anyway, let's move on to the next step. So for the next step, I got my skillet on medium-high heat. I'm gonna go ahead and put about 2 tablespoons of oil in my skillet. And then off camera, I went ahead and sliced up about 3/4 a cup of red onion, 3/4 a cup of white onion, 3/4 a cup of green onion, and then just a few slices of ginger. You can put as much of any of this as you want because I just like to eat this stuff. So anyway, just go ahead. So to that, I'm gonna take some of my little chili peppers, and I'm gonna just put these in here mainly for decoration, but it'll add a little heat. So I'm just gonna fry that up, and to that, I'm gonna add some seasoning salt. I'm just gonna fry these until my onions are a little browned, and then I'm gonna come back and show you this. So my peppers and onions have been cooking for about 2 minutes. And now I'm gonna just go ahead and add in my beef along with the marinade. So we're just gonna cook this. At this point, you want to turn your heat down to medium And we're just gonna cook this until all of our meat is obviously well done. So our meat has been cooking on medium high for about 6 minutes. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add about a half a cup of oyster sauce. And then I'm also gonna add a half a cup of the hoisin sauce. I can get it. And just mix that in. Alright, so at this point, the beef is done. If you want, I got my broccoli steamed. I'm gonna keep mine on the side, but you could throw it in here at this point. And it shouldn't need any extra seasoning because all these sauces have their own flavor anyway. But the last thing I'm gonna do is just sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds in mine. Get them. All right, so this is what we got. I'm gonna go ahead and plate it up for y'all and show y'all what it tastes like. This is the end result of my spicy beef stuff. And I just went ahead and garnished it with some red chili flakes and sesame seeds. And I did forget to mention, after the meat was cooked, I added some of that chili garlic sauce. If you want it spicy, I recommend doing that. And then, of course, I just steamed some rice. But I'm going to go ahead and taste it for y'all. And that tastes like Chinese food to me. But anyway, if you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode of Cooking with Lyssa.